Is affiliate marketing legit? Well, of course it's legit. You got thousands of people out there who's doing affiliate marketing. Where the scam is where you have people saying that you're gonna make five or you're gonna make $10,000 a month if you do this. Well, they're not going to give you all the details. They're just telling you a little bit. They're not telling you how much work is involved to make $10,000. It's not impossible, but you're going to need a high ticket product in order to do it, or you're going to need multiple streams of income to do it. But that's where the scam. And the other scam is when people are promoting courses and people buy them thinking they're going to, they've been promised riches, but then they find out later on the only thing they're teaching them how to do is to promote that course, which the only people getting rich is the one who developed the course. They're not going to teach you the proper way to get, how to run your email campaign or even set it up or get a list or even how to set up a funnel, to run a campaign. They're not teaching you all that stuff. That's the scam. If you buy a course and the only thing they're teaching you is how to promote their course, that's a scam. If they're not teaching you how to promote any product, anytime, anywhere, that's the one you got to be careful for. That's the scam. Affiliate marketing has been around since the internet. Every big store, every big box store, pretty much is going to have affiliate program, of one type or another. Amazon's got them, Walmart's got them. You name it, whatever store you shop at, if you go to their website, scroll down to the bottom, it'll say either affiliate or it'll say partners, it'll say something. And if not, they're probably associated with something like Impact or ClickBank or a dozen of these other companies that promote products. So it's there. You just got to look for it. And if you want to join it, join it. If you want to be affiliate. Now, if you don't know what affiliate marketing is, it's basically you're promoting other people's products. There's no shipping, there's no returns, you're not dealing with customer service, and you're not dealing with all that headaches. All you're doing is getting your link for the product and promoting it. That's it. Once you sell it, you're done. You get a check and that's it. You keep promoting or you move on to something else. It just depends on what you're doing. But as far as affiliate marketing, it's legit all day long. Don't listen to all the people say, oh, it's a scam, it's oversaturated. That's nonsense. Because every company needs people to promote their products. Look at Amazon. Yeah, they got an app. Yeah, but what about before the app and all that stuff? Everybody needs affiliates because you want your product sold, and guess who does that? Affiliates, affiliate marketers. There's no doubt about it. And if you're looking to start a business, whether you're doing it on the side or whether, just to make a few $100, or whether you want to turn this into a legit online business to where you can fire your boss, then look no further. Because, if you want to learn the right way, I got you all day long. You're gonna get an advisor and a mentor. We're gonna teach you how to promote any product, anytime, anywhere. It's gonna be none of this stuff where we're just gonna teach you how to promote one product, which is a course. Because if they're teaching you that, if you're in the middle of a course right now and they're teaching you that, hey, that's where the scam. That's where it's not legit. But if you want to learn the right way, how to promote affiliate marketing, how to do it, maybe you're a stay-home mom and you're looking for a way to make extra money, but you don't really want to start a business. You just want to make a few, some extra bucks. Hey, it's perfect. When the kids are going to school or going to sleep, you can do it. I mean, you can, do it. All you need is a few hours, and the more time you put in it, the more you're going to make. Once you get this thing dialed in and and you start seeing commissions and and all that. Next thing you know, and when you get up in the morning, you start seeing the emails saying, "Hey, you got a commission check," which you start rolling in. Next thing you know, it's passive income. Because you've done all the work up front. Now you're getting the money, and that's what everybody shoots for, is the passive income. Everybody likes waking up in the morning, checking their email, going, "Whew, look at all that," because you work, a few hours a day to set everything up, and you're waiting on commissions. That's how it works. That's affiliate marketing. That's the beauty of it. But absolutely, 100%, it's legit. The question is, which one do you want to do, though? Do you just want to be a side hustle person, or do you want to turn this into a online business to where hopefully, you can walk in one day and say, "I quit," to your boss? That's the question. Which one do you want to be? Do you want to get your time and your financial future back on track? Then I advise you to check out the link in the description so we can get going. You know, and like I said, you can waste a lot of time looking at them fake gurus telling you can make all that money, but they're not going to tell you everything you're going to need. Or you can go find something else and they'll teach you how to promote their course, but they're not going to teach you how to promote anything. And just think about this. If you got 50 people promoting that one course, what are you going to do when everybody's doing the same thing? Their TikTok videos look the same. Their email sequence looks the same. It's just a different name on it. Check it out for yourself. You'll see what I'm talking about, because it all looks the same. Well, if everybody looks the same, the only people that's going to be making money is the people at the top with the biggest email list. So keep that in mind, one who's been doing it the longest. So just, figure out what you want to do. Do you want to be a side hustle person, or do you want to be a business owner? Because you can go either way, but the business owner is where you want to be, because you want to make the good money and where you can quit and get your time and financial freedom back. So whatever you're looking at, whatever somebody tells you at work or whatever says, "Oh, you can't make no money online, that don't work." It does work. You're scrolling through there and you see an ad. Who you think put the ad there? Probably someone who's selling it, which is affiliate. Or you're watching YouTube videos and an ad pops up, and you're like, think about that. You're watching somebody and the ad shows up, that's they're promoting it. You click on it and you buy it. Well, guess what? They get money. That's affiliate marketing. You get an email, or you're watching something on TikTok and it catches your eye and you click on it and you buy it. Well, somebody put that ad there. It was probably somebody who's doing affiliate marketing. That's the beauty of it, So keep that in mind. If you want to learn how to do all that stuff the right way, where you can promote any product anytime, like I said, just check out the link in the description and let's get going. Because there's no reason to wait. You've already, it's affiliate marketing is not going nowhere. As long as there's internet, there's going to be affiliate marketers out there. As long as there's businesses out there needing products sold, there's going to be affiliate marketers out there, because someone's got to push the product, because it's cheaper to have someone paying somebody a commission than it is to run ads. So just keep that in mind. So like I said, when you're ready, I'm here. Check out the link in the description. Let's get going, and I'll see you next week.